In this video, we will discuss changing the torque units on a DS7 touchscreen. Warning: endo file settings must be set according to the file manufacturer. File speed limits, torque limits, supported gear ratios, and supported auto modes should be provided in the endo file instructions for use. If these settings are not set properly, patient injury may occur. Ensure that the file used in reciprocal motion is approved for a torque of 3 Nm and a maximum speed of 600 revolutions per minute, min 1. For more information, consult with your file manufacturer. Begin by pressing the menu button at the top right of the screen. Next, select Equipment Settings, then Delivery System, and Handpieces. Here you can toggle between displaying gram centimeter and Newton centimeter. Press the Home button in the top left corner of the screen to exit the menu and return to the home screen. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.